Hi, welcome to another edition of Tool Tips with Tony the Toolman. Today I'm here with Eric Smith from Greenlee. Eric is the manager for the Pacific Northwest and the Mountain States. Welcome to Tool Tips.
Thanks, Tony.
So today we got a new product here from Greenlee we're going to talk about. Step Bit. It's not an ordinary step bit. It's something pretty special, isn't it?
Right, it is.
So tell me about this.
Sure. Kind of the same design that I'm sure most of you are used to. We've got a 1/2-inch step bit for a max diameter, a 7/8 and 1 1/8 inch. And what makes these special is we've actually incorporated some HSS or high-speed steel with a 4% cobalt additive into it. So these are now intended for longer life in stainless steel.
So before you could actually use a step bit in stainless steel, but it wasn't very effective. It wasn't a long-term type of approach.
Correct. You were lucky to get, maybe 10, 15 holes at it. All of these have a new tip design, a new split tip design, a new geometry to the trailing edge, which gives us a faster tip time into, let's say, 10 gauge stainless. So all of these have a 10-second tip time, which is essentially what gets the bit going and what gets it through the material faster.
Okay. So we're going to see something up close here in a second. We're going to actually show you drilling these step bits. I think you're really going to like the results, and it's going to be a time saver. It's going to be innovative, and you know what? It's going to save you some bucks. Let's take a look at these things up close. So we have these bits in our shot here. Let's take a look at some of the features of these brand new bits by Greenlee. Maybe you can run through some of those.
Sure, Tony. So this is the 7/8 step bit, and one of the like all of our step bits, made in the USA in Rockford, Illinois. All of them come with a steam oxide finish. So that's why you don't see any paint or a different type of coating on the outside.
Now, why would that be important?
It acts like a lubricant. Obviously, it doesn't take the place of a lubricant, but it does help the bit run cooler and extends the life of the tool. We also have the dual cutting flute, and that is basically to take away more of the material quicker. For faster cutting, for less force. Like I said in the beginning, we have a M35 cobalt additive into these with a different heat treating process. Basically your best choice for maximum life in all types of stainless steel. And we also have a new split tip design. So like I said before, we actually increased the gap in the tip to eliminate walking, and also change the geometry of the edge leading back to give it such a quick tip time.
Okay, so all three of those have that new tip available? Is that
correct?
Okay.
All 3 step bits have the exact same tip. Come with the steam oxide finish and obviously the high-speed cobalt. Buy any of these individually as well as in a kit form.
Okay. Well, we've talked about it. Now let's go ahead and try it. We'll do a little drilling into stainless steel and see how fast they are and how nicely they cut. Okay, here we go. That's fast. I got to tell you, that's impressive. I mean, it was fast. Someone wanted to find out more information about these bits. How would they do that?
Sure. Obviously, go to greenlee.com. All of our new products are usually highlighted in the scrolling banner on the front page. And you can also, that site will take you to our Greenlee demo site on YouTube, where you can see any of these new innovative tools in action.
So, we've got some great tools here brought to you by Greenlee. Thank you for coming, Eric. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Tony.
This has been Tool Tips with Tony. Remember, be good to your tools be good to you. See you next time.